and welcome. Today's video we are filming with my tent in my family room because if you caught my other videos, I talked about how I got this up and I'm not for sure how to get it down, and I am pre-filming a lot because I have got to conquer the beauty room. I've got to do it. So it's going to be a lot of repeats, and that's only because not everybody is been here for a while, so I have to kind of explain every time. But anyways, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and today we are unboxing the August Slayglam bag. So the Slayglam box is a monthly subscription. They did send this over in PR, so thank you so much, Slayglam box, for sending this over. I do believe code HOTMESS will save you 10% off your first order, making this around $21 and change, I do believe. I actually have a playlist. I've unboxed them for a hot minute, and I do feel like they've been actually doing pretty good. Let me know your thoughts. But if you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and this is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free set, where we chill out with our tents and we're very overwhelmed, but it's okay. We keep it cute or put it on mute. Shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of you. Thank you to those of you that decide to click the thanks button. That is something that is new to YouTube. You don't have to, but if you choose to, tip the channel. Thank you guys bunches. And if you are returning, thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every single one of y'all for your love and support. Don't forget, I do have a collection with OFRA Cosmetics. Yes, that's right. Code HOTMESS will save you 20% on the Unconditional palette. I'm sorry, y'all. You're gonna hear about it till the day I stop filming, because I just can't believe this is real life. But yes, the lip duo, the inseparable lip duo, is available as well. And thank you guys bunches and bunches for your love and support. I'm wondering what happened to the box. We used to sometimes get this cute little purse box, but either way, as long as everything comes packaged well, that's all I honestly care about. I mean, hello, how many times have I unboxed Ipsy and BoxyCharm and my stuff is in shambles? Was that shade? It was a little bit. I'm tired, okay? I have this thing as being a mom where I have to make sure my kids make it home before I can sleep peacefully. And my boy was busy last night, and then he got home, but he got home late. So I'm like, I feel like a zombie mom today. Plus, my kids started college today, and I'm just like, man, how you moms doing? It's a lot. It's a lot. All right. So if you follow Slayglam box over on Instagram, I feel like they're pretty good about keeping everybody up to date on kind of sneak peek spoilers and everything that you may see. I did see this spoiler, and this had me really excited because I have been into greens big time. So this is the Peridot by Rasha B Cosmetics. And this is the brand that Anne had actually done some of her collabs with, and I really loved Anne's palettes. I thought that they performed great. So it's in like your nice little cardboard packaging. It does have a sleeve on it, but it's greens. Oh, and I just love it. Why did I think it was gonna smell like an apple? In my head, this was going to be a candy apple scent. Did it say that? No. Oh, and it does come with a mirror, and it's actually like a legit mirror. It's not like a funhouse mirror. I love this. I have to swatch. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh. I know swatches never tell the full story, y'all. I get it. I understand. But, and you know what I just remembered? I have lotion on my hands. Hopefully it doesn't look like it's hard panning anything, so that's good. Oh, that shimmer. These shimmers. The shimmers for me are always like where it's at with the Rasha B Cosmetics. These are really pretty. Okay. Hold on. I got wipes sitting back here. But yeah, when I saw this palette sneak peeked over on Instagram, I was like, oh my goodness. I love this green. I love the green. The green mattes for me is what I love. So let's swatch the top row. Wait, I did 4. Okay, so here. Oh, that's like a shifty shade. And then your shimmer. Ooh, these are so pretty. I love. Yeah, I don't know what my deal has been with greens, but greens are just, I love them. We were down at the lake and I was talking to my husband. I was like looking at the different colors of the trees, and I'm like, oh my gosh, if I could just put these colors of the leaves in a palette. He's like, you're always thinking. And I'm like, I know, but I love greens. It's just like my thing. So anyways, I think this is going to be really pretty and fun to play around with. So I will definitely be coming back and creating some kind of look. Just keep in mind, your girl's a little overwhelmed right now. So I may be on the corner and on the floor doing that eye look for you guys while my room is getting worked on. I'm the one that's going to be working on it. I'm tired already just thinking about it. Next we have Drip in Diamonds Beauty. There is no card in here, so I can't give you all prices or anything. So if you don't see me talk about prices, that's why. Oh my good heavens. Okay, so we've gotten something like this before. It's kind of gaudy, but I'm trying to think what I got. A lipstick. It was actually cute. Is this a lipstick again? Multi-chrome lip gloss. Well, I've already done opened it. Oh my gosh, that's cool, because it's definitely multi-chrome and it's definitely going to match that eyeshadow palette. I love that. That is so pretty. Okay, so it's definitely unique. Let's go with that. It's unique. But I do like that. I wonder if you could use that on your face or your eyes. I mean, wouldn't that be a gorgeous highlighter too? I mean, you've already got that green eye look going. And it's not, I mean, it's tacky, but it's not like horrible, you know? That's actually really pretty. I like that. I like that a lot. Me puts it on my legs because I like it to shimmer. Okay, that's fun. All right, next in here, I think this was a mascara. It's very, again, unique. So this is Drip in Diamond Beauty. I would say it's a mascara. I'd say it's definitely a mascara. I'm gonna have to just pick it up or open it up. It's green. Why am I smelling it? I don't know. Oh my gosh, yes, it is. Okay, I've never done like green lashes, but that could be kind of, we've got like a whole situation happening. Who is she? I don't know, but whatever. We're gonna play around with it. The only reason I was gonna set that aside and give it to you all, but the only reason I didn't is I feel like last time we got this and I went ahead and I put it in a giveaway or something, and you guys were like, Rhonda, you need to open that. That was like purple or blue or something. And I'm like, doggone it. So yeah, I'm excited to try the green out. I mean, if anything, you could do it as an accent color on your bottom lashes. All right, next in here, we got a Charmacy Duo Chrome Highlight. I'll tell you what, these indie boxes have been like just going ham sandwich with the duos and the multi-chromes. I mean, I love it. Oh, wow. So this is really fun, and I'm cracking up because it really is a shifty shade. This actually matches the palette beautifully, and it's so funny because, look at that. It literally almost matches the lipstick. This is fun. We're going to do like a whole green look. That is going to be so outside my comfort zone with all these chromes, but it'll be fun. It'll be cute. That's actually really fun and nice. Like shifty, shiny, shiny. Okay, and then the last, we've got three, what are these? Gel liners, gold, black pearl, and green diamond. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh man, they're all in a plastic thingy. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I took all the plastic off, and I will say I do like the fact that, oh, I am kind of pressing hard, just FYI. It's not as creamy and jelly as I thought, but I do like the fact that these were not separated. You do get a 3-pack. But with that said, just off the swatches, I am pushing pretty firm. Not as much on the black one, but definitely on the green and the gold. I definitely had to push harder on those. But you guys know I keep it honest with y'all. So even if it doesn't work well on the waterline, I mean, maybe we could use it as a primer or something on the actual lid, you know, like kind of, oh, focus. It's okay, I struggle sometimes too. But maybe we can use it as a primer on the lid or something, or a base, not really a primer. So that is everything in the Slayglam box, and I think it was actually a good box, you guys. I do think that it was curated nicely. I love all the greens, you guys know, and I mean, we literally got green darn near and everything. So that is really cool. I like that. I like they did like an August pearl theme. And yeah, so right down, honestly, right down to the bag. That just clicked. That just clicked. The bag, the liner, the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter, the mascara, the lippy, like everything. Wow. That's kind of cute. I like that. Okay, if you're interested, I don't know if this bag is still going to be available for y'all, but if you want, maybe want to sign up for a future Slayglam box, I will have a link down below for y'all. Don't forget code HOTMESS, not an affiliate code, but it is going to save you that 10% off your first bag. I will try and come back and create a look, whether it's here or over on Instagram or something, but I definitely want to play around with that palette. I really think that these colors are gorgeous. So anywho, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys bunches and bunches if you stuck around to the end of today's unboxing. I can't wait to play around with that palette. Let me know your thoughts on this box. I mean, I know green's a little like kind of scary, but honestly, you can take some shades. If you have my Unconditional palette, I mean, you could totally take like Fan Bam and Soulmate, even Mom Life, and kind of put that down as a base and use some of these gorgeous green shades as like pops of color. I mean, hello. Did y'all notice? I got a green shade in here as well. So anywho, we'll be back. We'll play around. Thank you guys so much. Again, to my YouTube members, to those of you clicking the thanks button. Check me out on my other channels. I'm going to hop off. I'm going to film one more video and then I got to start cleaning. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.